Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of basic engine maintenance and how it can save you a pretty penny in the long run. Did you know that by simply changing your oil with synthetic oil every 5,000 miles and replacing your oil filter at the same time, you can significantly prolong the life of your engine? That's right, folks. This small investment can save you big money in the future. Another crucial aspect of engine maintenance is replacing your spark plugs every 6 years or 70,000 miles. Trust me, this small expense is well worth it, as it can help your engine run smoother and more efficiently. Now, let's talk about your serpentine and timing belts. It's recommended to replace these every 5 years or 100,000 miles. This simple maintenance step can help prevent costly repairs down the road. Lastly, it's important to inspect your engine for leaks during every oil change and address them immediately. This small step can save you a lot of money in the long run. Remember, it's always cheaper to repair and maintain your engine than it is to buy a new car, especially if your current vehicle is paid off. So, keep up with your engine maintenance and enjoy the benefits for years to come. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks.